Okay, good morning, Miss. Today we're going to have the evaluation, yeah, from IPAS. Okay, we go to the HOTS directly, Miss.
Okay. What do you mean? Number one, kearifan lokal seperti Sasi di Maluku digunakan untuk menjaga sumber daya alam. Mengapa perlu melakukan mengapa masyarakat perlu membuat aturan seperti Sasi? Karena masyarakat agar sumber daya alam pada daerah tersebut tidak akan habis, sehingga masyarakat perlu melakukan aturan Sasi. 4B, apa yang akan terjadi jika aturan
Sasi apa itu, Miss?
Sasi itu adalah suatu proses untuk menjaga agar sumber daya alam itu, suatu tindakan agar sumber daya alam itu tidak akan hilang, akan cepat habis gitu, Miss. Seperti di laut gitu kan, mereka menjaga, membatasi orang-orang untuk mengambil hasil lautnya. Kemudian apa yang terjadi jika aturan tersebut tidak dipatuhi, maka sumber daya alam akan cepat habis dan tidak dapat digunakan kembali. Masyarakat Bali memiliki sistem subak dalam pengairan sawah. Mengapa sistem subak penting? Sistem subak penting agar setiap daerah dapat mendapat pengairan air secara adil dan teratur. Bagaimana dampaknya jika sistem ini tidak dijalankan dengan baik? Maka tanaman akan menjadi kering dan akan terjadinya gagal panen.
Jadi sistem subak ini
Tentang perairan
perairan.
di masyarakat Bali. Jadi setiap daerah itu memiliki kearifan lokal masing-masing gitu, Miss.
Bagaimana nih mereka melakukan sistem subak ini?
Sistem subaknya ini mereka membuat perairan dari suatu misalnya dari suatu tempat, mereka membuat cabang air sehingga setiap daerah mendapatkan perairan yang adil gitu, Miss.
Okay.
Kemudian perhatikan alat musik seperti angklung, sasando, dan gamelan. Mengapa alat musik setiap daerah berbeda? Karena bahan budaya dan kebutuhan masyarakat di setiap daerah juga berbeda. Apa manfaatnya mempelajari alat musik tradisional bagi siswa? Manfaatnya itu memperkaya sejarah budaya, menambah ilmu wawasan, serta keterampilan bagi para siswa. 4. Setiap daerah memiliki senjata tradisional. Mengapa senjata tradisional menjadi simbol identitas daerah? Karena senjata tradisional mencerminkan budaya, sejarah, dan keberanian masyarakat di daerah tersebut. Bagaimana cara melestarikan senjata tradisional? Dengan cara menyimpannya di museum, mempelajari sejarahnya, dan tidak menyalahgunakannya. Nomor 5, bagaimana perbedaan tersebut memperkaya budaya Indonesia? Apa yang terjadi jika masyarakat tidak melestarikan budaya? Perbedaan tersebut membuat Indonesia menjadi beragam, unik, dan menarik. Jika masyarakat tidak melestarikannya, maka budaya itu akan hilang dan tidak akan dikenal oleh generasi yang akan datang. Terus, Miss?
Next, bahasa Indonesia,
HOTS. Oke. Bacalah kalimat berikut. Siti rajin belajar, ia tetap rendah hati. Kata hubung yang tepat yaitu namun. Jelaskan alasan pemilihan kata hubung tersebut. Karena namun dapat adalah suatu kata hubung yang bertentangan yang menentangkan kalimat kedua dengan kalimat pertama. Yang kedua,
selain namun ada kata hubung lain?
Ada. Oleh sebab itu, bahkan akibatnya,
Lanjut.
Budi tidak membawa payung. Akibatnya ia kehujanan. Itu jawaban untuk yang A, akibatnya. Apa hubungan maknanya? Hubungannya yaitu hubungan sebab akibat. Karena saat Budi tidak membawa payung, akibatnya dia akan kehujanan. Nomor 3, Ani membantu ibu memasak. Setelah itu ia mencuci piring setelah makan. Kata hubungnya yaitu setelah itu. Fungsinya yaitu menjelaskan rangkaian peristiwa atau menjelaskan urutan dari kalimat sebelumnya.
Setelah itu ada?
Setelah itu gak ada sih, Miss, kayaknya cuma itu aja di buku. Setelah itu ya itu aja, Miss, di buku. Setelah itu after that selanjutnya setelah itu gitu, karena menjelaskan kegiatan selanjutnya lah gitu Miss. Kemudian Rina sudah belajar dengan giat. Kata hubung yang tepat adalah oleh karena itu ia mendapatkan nilai yang bagus. Jelaskan hubungan antara keduanya. Hubungan antara keduanya itu hubungan sebab akibat. Karena saat ia udah belajar dengan giat, maka ia akan mendapatkan nilai yang bagus. Nomor 5, Doni sangat pandai bermain bola. Bahkan ia jago dalam pelajaran matematika. Di sini juga bisa kita gunakan dan, karena kata hubung ini memperkuat dan menambahkan informasi dari kalimat sebelumnya. So, ke English ya, Miss.
Yeah, English hot, Miss.
Okay, number 1, Rina has a plan for tomorrow. She visit her grandma, help mother, and study English. Write a short paragraph using a plan, using will. Okay, Rina will visit her grandma tomorrow. She will help her mom and she will study English. Change your paragraph using going to. She is going to visit her grandma tomorrow. She is going to help her mom and she is going to study English.
I mean, like, why is it different? What is the difference between will and going to here?
If will, something that it already we will the things kita what ya we say in bahasa itu akan benar-benar it really we do it in the future. But if use going to, it is only a plan, Miss. I think, Miss.
Okay, next.
Okay. It's okay, Miss.
Okay, next. Number 2.
And then number 2, she will go to school tomorrow. They will playing football tonight. So identify the correct error of in both sentences. The error is she will. After will they put goes and after will they put playing. It should be she will go to school tomorrow. They will playing football. They will play football tomorrow. Explain why the sentences are incorrect. Because they put after will we should put the verb one, not use goes or playing. Number 3, look at the situation. It's very cloudy and windy today. Make 2 prediction sentence using will. So it will rain tomorrow and the weather will be stormy. Make 2 plain sentences using going to about tomorrow. I'm going to bring umbrella tomorrow and I'm going to stay at home. Look this sentence. She will go to the market tomorrow. Identify the subject, auxiliary verb, and the main verb. She is verb, will auxiliary verb, and go is the main verb. Change the sentence into a negative sentence. She will not go to the market tomorrow. Sentence, I will help my mother later. Will I help my mother later? What word show the future time later? So, how the
Okay.
question, Miss?
How the kitchen hot, yeah?
Hot also. You see a small fire in the kitchen. What should you do first, fight or flight? So I should do fight first because the fire is still small and can be controlled. What should you do if the fire become bigger? I should fly because the fire already big, so I need to move to the safe place. You witness a road accident. What important information should you give when calling for help? So the important information is when did it happen, what did it happen, or how did it happen, and why is important to stay calm in this situation? Because to think clearly and you can give the information correctly. Number 3, your friend panics during an emergency. What advice will you give to her? You need to stay calm and take a deep breath. What should you both do after that? You should call for help or emergency hotline and move to the safe place. You are alone at home and smell gas. Should you stay or leave? I should leave from the house because the gas is dangerous. Who should you contact after that? I should contact for emergency service or firefighter. you don't remember any emergency number, what problem might happen in an emergency? It will be difficult to ask for help quickly. And what should you do now to prepare for the future? I should memorize and write down the emergency number on the paper.
Okay, since next week there is I mean like project for English, right? I mean like
Yes, miss.
there is summary point. So please explain about the summary point of English, Miss.
Okay, wait, this one. Okay.
Can you make it bigger?
Yeah. So,
Okay.
so in our book, there is a topic about simple future tense. Simple future tense is an action that show something happen in the futures. In our book, there is only the pattern that use will, but here I also use going to. So the different here, if use will, the similarities, both of them are used to show something happen in the future. So the differences show the decision made instantly. But if going to, this is show what plan that we will do in the future, Miss. And then I will
We can
show
see
I
that-
will show also I will show to them also for the pattern. If we use will, the pattern is subject will plus verb one plus object. If we use is going to, we will use the pattern subject, to be is MR, going to, and verb one and object.
Yeah, okay. So it hasn't been clear actually. So you need to make it clear later to your students. So will is used for prediction. Yeah, prediction that we haven't known like you really do it in the future or not. Miss. But going to, and then we're going to, this is prediction based on evidence, fakta, ya, kebenaran. Yeah. So if we talk about the level going to and will, so an example like not the level, the how to say that, the level of the prediction I said, right? So an example like going to, you will make it 80%, you will do it in the future. But will maybe like you still think
50%.
I will do it or not, yes, like that. And then will also shows that one prediction,
Prediction.
and
Yeah,
then
that-
instant decision, right? So an example like you see your friend bring the heavy bag, so you will say it directly, I will help you.
Oh yeah. But-
Instant decision like that. So you need to explain like that to the students.
Okay,
Going to shows planned actions, kejadian yang sudah kamu rencanakan. Like that, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Yeah. Okay. Next.
Homework.
Book ya,
Book ya, Miss.
health education ya, Miss ya.
Okay.
Health
on page
education. Wait, first.
30.
What page is that? Yeah.
33 ya.
Okay. That's
Okay.
it. So please explain, Miss. Act as you are in the class, ya, Miss ya.
Okay. Okay. Now please open page 33. We are going to learn about what to do in emergency. In an emergency situation. So here the book say that which one do you need to do, fight or flight? So the first thing that you need to remember that fight is the condition where the condition is not really bad. But if flight, the condition, the emergency is already dangerous. So we need to do the quick action to make us safe. In here also, when you are in the emergency situation, for example, like you smell the gas in your house. So what do you need to do? Fight or flight? Oh, Miss, I need to flight, Miss, because it is very dangerous. If I stay fight there, so I don't know what to do. And after that, the other example also, when you see a small fire around you, what should you do? Oh, Miss, I will fight because the fire still small. It can be controlled also. But if the fire already big, Miss, I will flight because it more dangerous and it can burn us and we need to leave that house. And here there are some tips from Auntie Mel. The first is take a deep breath when you are in the emergency situation. You don't need to be panic. Just take a deep breath, and after that, think clearly what should you do for the next action. And after that, when you think what it happened, when did happen, and then after that, you can move to the safe place, and then after you already move or run from the emergency place, you need to call uh, for the firefighter or emergency hotline. And if you don't remember about the emergency number, you need to write down on a paper, so when you need it, you can see the number and directly call for help. Miss, I think for only that, Miss.
Okay, that's about fight and flight.
Yeah, fight and flight.
The dial, what's that?
The dial is like the phone book that we need to keep in our home. So when we have the emergency situation, we take this phone book to call for emergency.
Okay, so this is topic about fight and flight, right? So, in what situation should a person choose fight or flight?
Yeah, if you choose fight, the situation still can be controlled. But if we choose flight, the situation is dangerous. So we need someone or another help to help us or helping.
Okay, dangerous. So, in example, you say you use fight if it is still can be handled. Like what? Miss?
For example, like when you what I mean, when when you, for example, this one, when you suddenly cut your finger, so you still can fight this one with by yourself. But if already the big problem is if your house have the big fire, so it
Get burned, you mean?
get burned. So you need to call firefighter, miss, because you cannot handle it by yourself. Like that.
Okay. Next, we go to vocabulary. Oh, yeah, Miss. Open it first. Vocabulary. You put in which
April. Yes.
April.
April.
Wait, Miss. Cannot be open.
Cannot, miss. Maybe you can use this.
Okay, next vocabulary, Miss.
PPKN.
Proklamasi.
Ya, proklamasi adalah pengumuman resmi yang diumumkan pengumuman resmi tentang kemerdekaan suatu bangsa yang diumumkan kepada seluruh rakyat, dan biasanya proklamasi ini diumumkan oleh orang yang paling penting di negara tersebut, kemudian agar negara tersebut menyatakan bahwa ia sudah merdeka dari penjajahan suatu negara dan sudah mendapatkan kedaulatan untuk mengatur negaranya tersendiri.
Kue cucur.
Kue cucur adalah kue tradisional manis yang terbuat dari tepung gula. Jadi kue cucur ini adalah kue tradisional Indonesia yang terbuat dari tepung dan air gula yang kemudian digoreng dengan bentuk bulat.
Kembang goyang.
Kembang goyang adalah
kembang goyang ya?
Kembang goyang.
Kembang ya?
Ya, di our book kembang goyang. Kembang
Oke.
goyang adalah kue tradisional gurih yang digoreng dengan cetakan berbentuk bunga. Jadi kue tradisional Indonesia yang terbuat dari tepung kemudian digoreng dengan menggunakan cetak berbentuk bunga yang rasanya gurih.
Oke, English, Miss. Oh ya.
Oh, there
Okay.
is
How occasion. Fleeing away.
fleeing away, run quickly to escape for the danger. So fleeing away is a condition where you should do fast action in an emergency.
Emergency hotline.
Emergency hotline is a number that we can use when we have emergency situation. An emergency hotline usually can we use or we can write them on the paper to help us in emergency situation.
Oke, Asri.
Asri adalah keadaan lingkungan yang indah, sejuk, rapi, dan nyaman. Keadaan yang asri ini suatu keadaan lingkungan di mana terlihat indah, sejuk, dan enak dipandang sehingga membuat orang nyaman berada di dalamnya.
Gemuruh.
Gemuruh adalah suara bunyi keras yang bergelombang secara berurutan yang biasanya berasal dari alam seperti petir ataupun ombak. Yes.
Oke. Teks narasi.
Teks narasi adalah suatu teks yang menyatakan rangkaian kegiatan secara berurutan. Teks narasi adalah suatu jenis teks yang berisikan tentang urutan atau rangkaian suatu cerita secara berurutan berdasarkan waktu tertentu.
Okay, thanks. I think that's all for the evaluation for 3 Miss. Thank you.